How to cultivate sweet root, Glycyrrhiza glabra, for beginners. Licorice or licorice is the root of Glycyrrhiza glabra. This root plant is one of the pods to legumes originating from southern Europe and some parts of Asia. Scientific classification of sweet roots. Kingdom, Platy. Division, Magoliophyta. Class, Magoliocida. Order, Fabales. Family, Fabaceae. Subfamily, Faboideae. Nation, Galagiae. Genus, Glycyrrhiza. Species, G. glabra. Sweet roots include a tear-shaped annual plant and can grow up to 1 meter with leaves that grow like a wing, pinnate, that is 7 to 15 centimeters long. The leaves are iflorses or clustered in one branch. The color of the leaves is purplish to white-bluish tiles and measuring 0.8 to 1.2 centimeters long. Fruit roots are long and shaped about 2 to 3 centimeters long and contain seeds. The benefits of sweet roots include relief of sore throat, relief cough, peptic ulcers, stomach pain, bronchitis and even cholesterol. This root plant is often used as a medicinal plant. If you want to cultivate or grow root crops, here's how to cultivation of sweet root plants more. 1. Land preparation and sweet root seed. Sweet root plants can actually grow in all types of soil. Sweet plant more will grow well on rocky soil. In addition to being grown on direct soil, sweet root plants can also be planted in pots. You can use small pots that have been given cork, soil, husk, a little rocks and also shredded leaves are neatly arranged on it. After the planting media is ready, prepare also seeds of roots. Seeds of root seedlings can be obtained at the plant shop. 2. Sweet root cultivation. If the seeds have been obtained, do not immediately planting. Let the soil on the planting land of the moist roots first, so the seeds of the planted roots are not dry and can grow well. If the soil on the cultivated land is moist, then sprinkle the seeds of the roots on the land that has been prepared equally. After that, sprinkle organic fertilizer on it thin, not just too much. 3. Sweet root cultivation. Keep the planted soil moist so that the roots can grow well. Do watering using water spray. In addition to watering, do also fertilizing regularly. 4. Sweet potato harvesting period. Before reaching the age of mature, sweet root plants can already be used if it grows well or the plant has reached a height of more than 1 meter. In the dry season, there will be a purple flower that negates that the plant has been well developed. Root that has been harvested can be used as a traditional medicine or processed into candy. So we are discussing about how to cultivation of sweet roots, Glycyrrhiza glabra, for beginners. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.